Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Wan Amirah Nabila binti Wan Razmi. I'm from Bachelor of Nutrition Science, Year 3. The title of my final year project is Association between Diet Quality and Body Mass Index Among Children, a Systematic Review. Today, I would like to present my progress in my final year project. Introduction of this study. Overweight or obese children under 5 years old were 40 million and more than 330 million children and adolescents aged 5 to 19 years old. Therefore, this study will provide a complete, comprehensive summary of current literature relevant to this study's research question in raising the incidence of overweight and obesity among children in general population, including track and analyze improvement in diet quality and how they may be related over time to changes in body weight. The second part is literature review. For childhood obesity, obesity prevalence was 13.9% among 2 to 5 years old, 18.4% among 6 to 11 years old, and 20.6% among 12 to 19 years old. For second part, diet quality. Poor family may not have enough resources, thus eating less healthy but high calories food that are typically cheaper, whereas rich family be able to afford to buy food, often making the unwise decision to buy the wrong kind of food, such as high calories. The third part is association between diet and obesity. From all the behavioral factors, poorer diet practice in children are reported to be prospectively associated with an increased risk of childhood obesity. The rationale of this study are the risk of developing non-communicable disease such as diabetes and cardiovascular disorder is also higher for overweight and obese children. However, there was no systematic review on diet quality among children aged 4 to 12 years old, especially in relation to the body mass index. Then, the objective of this study was to review systematically the existing literature that evaluated the association between diet quality and body mass index among children. For methods, it divided into 7 sections. For inclusion criteria, type of participant that I have chosen was children aged between 4 to 12 years old. Type of intervention is, I included the studies on diet quality intervention with body mass index outcome. Then, type of comparison is, I measured BMI value pre and post intervention against comparison group. For outcome measure, study that measured target outcomes of body mass index or included diet quality with body mass index outcomes. Lastly, the study design were included all randomized control trial and all observational studies such as cohort studies and cross-sectional studies. This study do not involve children with special diet and hospitalized. After that, articles that are not written in English language and published before 2008 were excluded. Furthermore, I was excluded other studies and report including review, meta-analysis, study protocol, comments, letter, case report, and guidelines. Then, descriptive studies that did not measure the direct association between diet quality and BMI. The second section is information sources. To identify relevant studies, the following electronic databases were searched including PubMed and Scopus. The third section is search strategy. After analyzing the key studies and considering expert recommendation, the following keywords were identified for conducting the search. For fourth section is data collection and analysis. Firstly, study selection. The exclusion criteria were applied to remove all irrelevant research paper, either the paper are irrelevant or fail to follow one or more inclusion criteria. Then, references were imported into EndNote and Mendeley software to identify duplicate articles. Duplicate articles were removed and reference assessed for eligibility as stated in section eligibility criteria were ordered by year of publication. The title and abstract of retrieve identified by the search strategy was screened by 2 authors, myself and my supervisor independently. Potentially eligible studies were evaluated by screening the full text paper. If disagreement happens, the opinion of third author will be requested. Preferred reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis, Prisma diagram were used to assist in selecting studies. Based on this study's Prisma flowchart, the record identified through database searching were 1,996, which 1,995 were obtained from PubMed and other one was obtained from Scopus. There were 47 articles identified through other sources such as reference lists. After the duplicate removed, the article left was 1,393. Then, 79 articles were screened, while 1,316 were excluded with reasons. 70 full-text articles were assessed for eligibility, while 46 full-text articles were excluded with reason, including not correlate with diet quality and body mass index at all, correlate with diet quality and body mass index but not as whole, participant not in the age range, and the last one, participant with diseases. Secondly is data collection process. The data extraction needs to report and record for future use in this systematic review, including name, date, features for identification. The data extraction template were developed based on the Cochrane and Communication Review Group's data extraction template for RCTs and non-RCTs. Then, the eligibility criteria were clarified for this study as stated in eligibility criteria slides. Detail of participant, intervention, comparison, outcome, and study design were included in collecting data for the research paper through the electronic databases or manual searching. All the inclusion and exclusion criteria were followed. The sixth section is data item. For this study, all the data were extracted based on the characteristic of the participant, type of intervention chosen, type of comparison chosen, type of outcome measure chosen. The last section for method is assessment of study quality. The assessment that had been chosen for this study was the Effective Public Health Practice EPHPP 2007. Each examined practice received a mark ranging between strong, moderate, and weak when the assessment is fulfilled. For another two components, intervention integrity and analysis, scoring using specific question is used. I will go through the result. Based on the included article, this study has been done all over the world, including Australia, Brazil, Canada, Croatia, Denmark, European countries, Iran, Ireland, Malaysia, Mauritius, Netherlands, Puerto Rico, United Kingdom, and United States of America. Based on the evidence table for observational studies, there were 13 cross-sectional studies and 6 cohort studies were included in this systematic review. Out of 19 observational studies, 6 observational studies, which is cohort studies, have strong rating. This were because these studies does not have weak score in study quality assessment components and majority have strong and moderate score. 3 studies in these slides and 3 studies in these slides. Next, out of 19 observational studies, 10 observational studies have moderate rating. Most of these studies were cross-sectional studies. These studies only have 1 weak score. Add study design component because cross-sectional studies does not be listed in the component. For blinding and withdrawal and dropout components is not applicable in cross-sectional studies. Thus, cross-sectional studies have moderate rating. Other than that, 3 out of 19 observational studies, which were cross-sectional study, have weak rating. These studies have more than 1 weak score. Majority of these studies have weak rating on design component. Besides, 2 studies have weak rating in confounder components and 1 studies have weak rating on data collection method. Next, main findings. There were 10 out of 19 articles showed that diet quality does not associated with BMI among children. Then, 7 out of 19 articles showed that diet quality were associated with BMI among children. 1 out of 19 articles showed that there were little association between diet quality and BMI among children. And lastly, 1 article does not have clear result. Then, 12 out of 19 original articles state that there were difference in weight status of children. 5 out of 19 articles state that there were no significant difference in weight status, and the other 2 articles state that there were no clear result in difference of weight status. I will go through the evidence table for intervention study. There were 5 intervention studies were included, which is RCT. Out of 5 RCT, 4 RCT have strong rating. There were because RCT got strong rating in study design component in assessment of study quality and got no weak rating. Meanwhile, 1 RCT got moderate rating due to weak rating on confounder components. Next, main finding. There were 3 studies showed that diet quality does not associated with BMI among children. For example, based on Rohde et al. 2017, this study did not see significant intervention effect on various elements of the diet or on overall diet quality. Then, there were 2 RCTs showed that diet quality were associated with BMI among children. Then, 3 out of articles state that there were difference in weight status pre and post intervention, while 2 out of 5 does not have clear result. So overall, there were 13 out of 24 original articles showed that diet quality does not associated with body mass index among children, while 9 articles showed that diet quality were associated with BMI among children. One article stated that there were little association between diet quality and BMI among children, and the other one article does not have clear result. Furthermore, 17 articles state that there were difference in weight status during intervention. 4 articles state that there were no difference in weight status during intervention, and 2 articles state that there were no clear result. For outcome measure, all the included studies calculated BMI in kilogram per meter square and in a Z-score calculated relative to the normative value for age and sex. For diet quality, 11 articles using healthy eating index, 10 articles using diet quality index, 2 articles using Mediterranean Diet Quality Index, and the other one using Child and Diet Evaluation Tool. To obtain the dietary intake of children, the included article will use 24-hour diet recall, food frequency questionnaire, and meal observation. The statistical analysis that were used the most in this study were regression analysis, including 15 original articles to observe the association between diet quality and BMI among children. Other than regression analysis, chi-square test including 5 original articles, 3-way MANOVA and independent sample t-test, 1 original article and 1 original article respectively were used. They're all the reference that I used. That's all. Thank you.